What's going on, guys? It's Brandon or teslaflex, and I'm here with my 2026 Model Y Performance, and in this video I'll be going over 5 things you need to know about the new Model Y Performance, so let's get into it. Starting off with number 1, the new Model Y Performance has a bespoke front and rear bumper design, meaning that it's just a bit different than the premium. So if you come closer, you can see right up here we have glossy black accents along the front bumper. This is not in the premium trims. I think it gives it a nice touch. I'm going to be wrapping these in PPF as well, just to protect them over time. And you also have glossy black right here. And just in general, the front bumper and rear bumpers are way more aggressive. But if you come along the back, you can see we have the rear spoiler as well that is actually physically bolted onto the car. So the previous models had adhesive holding it on, but now it's bolted on. So it's not going to come off at any time. We also have the glossy black accents, which as you can see, have gotten kind of dusty already, but they're glossy black, way nicer design. We also have some arrow slits, or I wouldn't even say they're arrow slits because it's just kind of like that, so nothing actually gets through, but it's a bit more aggressive. In general, the Model Y Performance is a more aggressive vehicle, more sporty focus, would also look different from the premium. So let's hop into number 2. Number 2, the new Model Y Performance has an upgraded interior with accent lighting on the door panels along the front, and carbon fiber on the dashboard, the door panels, even in the back. And we have some brand new sport bucket seats with a nice headrest here at the top, the insane badging right here. We have black piping along the seats, and also very supportive bolstering on the sides and the bottom. And this actually has something that no other Tesla besides the Model Y L has, and that is a thigh support. So if I press this forward, it actually sticks this out, goes pretty far. So if you want to be more comfortable while you're using full self-driving or just driving long distances, this is perfect for you. You can also push this in, but it just really elevates the experience of the Model Y Performance that no other Model Y Performance has had before. So let's move on to number 3. Before we move on to number 3, I want to quickly talk about something you should know about selling a Tesla. Used EVs should not be priced the same as gas cars. Stuff like battery health, real-world range, and software features like full self-driving and the acceleration boost actually impact your Tesla's value, and most dealers don't take that into account. That's where Plug comes in. They're the only EV-specific cash offer marketplace, and they focus on giving you the most accurate valuation for your EV, backed by real EV data, not just gas car math. When you submit your Tesla through Plug's trade desk, you get full visibility into EV-specific details and can get a real cash offer within about 15 minutes from active EV buyers. If you decide to move forward, most deals are done in under 48 hours, and the nice part is that Plug handles the paperwork, secure payment, and pickup of your car, so that way you don't have to deal with giving test drives or meeting strangers to sell your car privately. If you want to find out more about Plug, you can find the trade desk link below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about it. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3, the new Model Y Performance has an upgraded center console and infotainment system with a new 16-inch Quad HD display, which is more responsive than before. And you also can adjust your accent lighting directly from here by going into settings and then tapping right here to use your custom settings, or even using the color wheel to find your favorite color. You can also have these nice sliding doors right here with plenty of storage underneath. And we have a magnetic armrest, which reveals even more storage underneath there. We also have a rear display in the back that allows you to adjust the airflow, the heated seats, adjusting the media, playing video games, and even watching movies and TV while you're being driven around, which is super nice. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4, the new Model Y Performance has 2 new features. It has adaptive damping and brake-by-wire. So if I go in here into the settings and go to reduce mode and press my foot on the brake, it actually uses a little bit of regen braking before going into the regular one. So let me get back on the road here. So as soon as I turn, and if I speed up a little bit, when I brake, it uses regen before the friction brakes. Now with the standard mode, you can see it just uses regen like normal, and when I brake, it actually uses friction brakes. Now with the ride and handling, we have standard and sport. Now standard is the smoothest one. Sport, once I turn it on, it will kind of disable it, and then I can really start to feel the road a bit more. And it's really nice if you just want to have a bit more spirited driving. But there's a feature where if you are in full self-driving or autopilot and you enable it, then it'll actually switch over to standard for a more comfortable ride. So once you get up here, we go right up here, and it puts me in standard automatically. But if I disable it, it switches me back to sport, which is pretty convenient. And finally, number 5, you're probably wondering why I have 2 mobile connectors with some different ends. So right here is actually the new power share adapter. Power share is a feature that debuted in the Cybertruck, and it's now available in the Model Y Performance. So it's actually compatible with the power share home backup. You can plug your Model Y in, use the battery to actually power your home, just like the Cybertruck. And you can use this adapter right here, which is included with the Model Y Performance, plug it in to this end instead of an actual plug, and then this can power other stuff. So we're gonna plug this in here, just like we're plugging in my Model Y to charge it. I was pressing the button like it was gonna do anything. There's no power to it. And then I have this right here. You can see on the connector, green flowing. That means it is charging outward. And now I can grab this connector right here. I have the regular 120, and all I need to do is plug it in here like that. And now I can see it's connected. It's looking good. We got green. And then bringing this over here, plug the Model 3 in, and if you look closely, it'll flash blue, and it's charging. So you can literally charge a Model 3 with a Model Y. When I plug in the cable to the Model Y, a power share screen pops up. You'll see it says starting power share active, and then I can plug in the Model 3 right here, and it will start siphoning power from the Model Y Performance into the Model 3 Performance, just like that. All right, guys, that was 5 things to know about the new Model Y Performance. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also let me know any questions you may have down in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to check out Plug in the description below as well to learn how you can sell your EV with no hassle. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one.